Oh shit.
What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So in this video today, guys, we're going to be installing some cameras that the wife picked me up on Amazon for about 140 bucks. Now, guys, these are on a budget that we purchased them, but if they work, it's definitely going to be a blessing because you always want eyes behind you and in front of you. You never know when somebody's going to try to blame you for something. So, just going to get these things mounted on the truck today and see how they work and give you guys the results. So, if you're not subscribed, smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. And get my things together and be right back with you guys. All right, guys. Excuse the language on that CB, boys, but forgot to show you guys what this came with. But as you can see, it's got the here's the camera. We're just gonna go ahead and get this opened up.
We don't have any more video checks, but we do have some coupons here at watermelonpussy.com for you.
Excuse that, guys, but here's the monitor. As you can see, big old screen. Now it's going to monitor the 4 cameras, guys. This is everything this kit came with. Just going to show you. Here's all the cameras and all the wires. It came with 2 like this and 2 like this. And we're going to mount those bad boys somewhere on those mirrors because my concerns are I've got a camera that sits right there that faces the front. I ain't worried about that for real, as much as I am what goes on back here. So you got people that's flying around and trying to come around you, and you know, if you know, you know. I mean, we can't see but very little behind us sometimes. So yeah, we're gonna mount those bad boys on these mirrors somewhere facing back. And we're gonna run the wires in, and yeah. But you see, this is what comes with the kit. Here's all the wiring, here's all the cameras. And here I think is like the mounting stuff, the adhesive and stuff like that, but we're gonna be running them outside, so I think these cameras will work for a semi. I know they will, and for RVs, so yeah, we're gonna give them a shot, guys, and see what happens.
You're in charge of Watermelon Pussy Hill. Head nigger in charge on the hill. You shall bow down before me. You shall do right here upon Watermelon Pussy Hill. Hey, right now supplies are limited. Get them while they last. Our big booty bitches are going fast here on the hill. It's a Kunte's Bar and Grill.
Alright, guys, so we got 1 bolt going through the bottom. Not sure if y'all can see that, but that's how we mounted it right there. They just drilled a little hole through that little leg right there coming off the mirror bracket. So first one's somewhat mounted up. Going to try to tighten it down. I'll give you another look from this angle. So as y'all can see. Let me get them.
Yeah.
Here, hold. Alright guys, as you can see here, each camera has its own little screen. So check it out, guys. And you're able to focus on one screen at a time if you want. You just double tap it like so, as you can see here, and it'll pretty much just focus on that one screen. So if you're doing any kind of blindside backing, this can help you see what you can't see with the eye. So definitely a blessing, guys. All right, boys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it maybe put it in somebody's head to buy this camera system, because to be honest with you guys, it's definitely something good to have out here while you're on the road. It's something I've been needing for a while, and I just hadn't got around to getting one. But shout out to the wifey for purchasing me these cameras. It's definitely a plus and a blessing to have more than two eyes, you know what I'm saying, on you at all times out here. You've got people that deliberately, purposely crash into 18-wheelers, and then they start hollering that it wasn't their fault, that it was yours. And 9 times out of 10, state police is ready to blame the truck driver unless you got proof. So all my truckers out there, definitely consider investing in a set of these cameras. And yeah, boys, if you're not subscribed, go on and smash the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. And there's going to be much more content dropping on this Peterbilt. And if you enjoyed the video, smash the like. Doesn't cost you a thing either. And don't forget to activate the bell icon down below. Whenever we drop some new content on the channel, you'll be the first to get notifications. So I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Short, simple, and sweet. But maybe it'll, you know, give a brother trucker out there an idea, and they'll be on their P's and Q's as well as I try to do. But anyways, guys, wouldn't be where we at today if it wasn't for God first, then you guys, love and support. So I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I love you all. God bless you all. Till the next one, boys. We out of here. Peace.